So hey guys, today gonna do unbox this Philips heater, electric heater. Bought it from Aeon. Got promotion just 100 ringgit. This was the Philips electric heater, 1.5 liter. Oh, it's safe and easy boiling. So this is the box and all this information around here. This was information. So they have a food grade SUS 304 body and inner lid, and also the Citrix thermostat for precise temperature control, and also one touch spring lid help to avoid scaling cold window for easy storage. Okay, so now we're going to open it up. Open. Okay, now we're going to open it. Okay, so open it, spot it, already tested. So take out what inside the box. Okay, now so you can see one this electric heater, one this manual. This is the, so let's see, this is the base. What's this? This was the warranty card. Yeah, you can see it just spotted. Okay. So this was the warranty card. Wait. All in Chinese. Yeah, the warranty card. So this was the user manual. So later I go through the user manual. So before that, we try this first. We see the design, you can see. So what is the bottom? So this was a Philips made in China, and this is required 230 to 240 volt. Okay, so you can see this one touch open the lid. Okay, very simple. Okay, so inside is you can see the max is 1.5 liter. So inside the lid, and also this. So you can see here. Okay, so the design, you can see overall design is okay. So the easy to touch as well, and this was the on off. So this was the base. Come with the series. So you can see it can just take out this easily. So they can stop below here. Okay, so they give you a longer wire. Okay, so it's still new. Now what we're going to do is, of course, try it. So now I need to put water inside first. We wash. Your first time using, we try to wash it first. Okay, so we try to. It's a very traditional use of hand to wash it. Okay. So rinse for the water, and now we try to fill in the normal home purifier, water purifier. First try it. Something like this. Have the copper. So it should be means safe. Okay, so now we try to put on it. MC Philips. So now we try to switch on the power. Okay, after that we just here. So now we waiting it for boiling. Okay, so this was a Philips brand. Yeah, just few seconds you can hear the sound already. What inside? Try to open it. You can listen the sound. You can see it boiling. Use the base boiling. Now I can feel the heat already, very fast. Okay. So we let it boiling. It's already boiled. So we see a result. So it's not bad lah. I mean the service, but of course it's sure have a noise. Okay, so we walk around the base about this Philips electric kettle. Okay, so this was the top. You can see the top. So after that, this was the side. Okay, then this was the another side, another angle. Okay, so if you want to see, we also got this appliance to unboxing, so you can have a look via the video. So this was the last part about the user manual. Actually, I got two types, HD 39303 or HD 9306. So what is this model is HD 9306. Okay. This have the worldwide 2-year guarantee, remember, and it's safe. Okay. So what the difference between two? One is 3, one is 6. Design can say almost different. Different is on where is here. You can see the lid is different. Okay, so this was the on-off button, whereas the number 6 is this is on-off button. So the different. Okay. Okay, so this is a very simple user manual. We just click key run through on it. Okay, so basically this is a very simple home appliance, but it's quite useful for every home family. Without this, it's hard to boiling your water. You want to get the water, most easy way to get this. This is very common and very common thing. So that's all for this, and the other one is the deflate for the safety. It's a very standard for all home appliance. So for this Philips electric heater or the tools for boiling water unboxing video, if you like this video, please don't forget to give us a like, thumbs up, and please subscribe to MShow channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.